Hi everyone, my name is Joy. So today I'm going to show you how to make delicious stuffed lotus root. And let's get started.
So we will need black pepper, sesame oil, cornstarch, rice cooking wine, soy sauce, chicken powder, and salt. First of all, let's make the meat filling with some flavor. I use ground beef, which is just personal preference. You could also use pork instead of beef. Knead it thoroughly. Mix it and then let it sit for about 10 minutes. In the meanwhile, I'm gonna prepare the lotus root. Peel the lotus root first. Then cut it into about 3mm slices. Line up all the lotus root onto a cutting board. And we're gonna divide the meat filling into those pieces. Press the meat into the holes and place another slice onto the filling. Make sure they attach firmly with each other. Next, we're gonna prepare the batter. We combine the cornstarch and the flour by adding some warm water and then mix them together. When you see the texture become liquid like a condensed milk, add an egg and mix them again. Before I start cooking, I usually will do a quick test to make sure the oil is hot enough. And then I will coat each stuffed lotus root with the batter and place it into the oil. When you see they are lightly colored, flip them over and deep fry them until they have become crispy and browned evenly. And the last step, take them out and place them onto a beautiful plate.
Hopefully you guys learned how to make the stuffed lotus root, and thanks for watching! It's very delicious, 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 delicious.